If you go on the internet, you'll find several definitions for passive income, and sometimes it can be confusing. Also, many people misunderstand passive income to mean making money with no work to be done, but that is not passive income, that is a lottery. So, passive income is generating income or making money over and over for work that was done one time, for work that was done upfront. So you do the work upfront, you do the hard work, the research and everything, and you do that work one time, and because of that work you keep making money over and over in the future with no additional work to be done by you. So that is passive income. The best example I can give you for passive income is affiliate marketing, because that's what I do. I am affiliate marketer. So affiliate marketing, you do the work one time, and because of that work you keep making money over and over in the future. To show you how affiliate marketing can be passive income or is passive income, so let me ask you, what do you do when you do affiliate marketing? So you promote or you recommend other people's product for a commission. And how we do that? First of all, you have to join a affiliate program of a company of your choice. After that, you have to connect the seller or the company with the consumer, somebody who wants to buy the product. So you have to be in the middle and you have to connect them. How do you connect them? You have to produce content on the internet to connect these two. Content can be an article, can be a YouTube video, can be TikTok video, can be an image on social media, can be Facebook group that you create to gather people who are interested in the same niche that you are in. So you have to produce content. To produce content, let's say a blog post, for example, an article. First of all, before publishing an article, you have to do the research. You have to do the hard work, the research. Then you have to write the content. Then you have to publish it. But after you publish it, that article will be working for you forever until you take it down, because it will be on the internet, and if you publish something on the internet, it will stay there until you take it down. So one day from now, a week from now, a year from now, somebody somewhere in the world will be reading your article and click on your affiliate link and buys the product. So once you produce a content that was done one time, that content can generate income for you over and over until you take that content down. So affiliate marketing is the best example of passive income, but there are other forms of passive income. If you want to start affiliate marketing, if you are interested, I have a link for you in the description below. It is a free video, just watch it. Maybe you like it, maybe you will not like it, but this is a passive income and can be done through a lot of things. One of them is affiliate marketing, and good luck.